Isn't so creepy?
A little. Turn right? Or let's go this way. Okay, go. Go on. Come in.
I only have which flavors you say. Plain or strawberry,
Hey guys, so we've had a lovely dinner at the Spaghetti Factory, Zach's favorite place to come to. And we're gonna walk down, maybe Scott, we'll take Scott and walk down to the Ed Marvish Theater and hopefully enjoy a really good show. It's definitely patio season, even though it's late. This is the time Torontonians like to come out and enjoy a patio, grab a nice drink, whether it's coffee or an alcoholic beverage. The weather's great. So let's go. We'll see you guys at the theater. Oh, I guess we're going in right there. Come on, Zach. Zach. Yes, thank you.
Enjoy your time. Just a reminder, no recording during this.
Okay, Zach, I think our seats are this way. Alright, so the show's all done. Zach, did you have fun?
Yeah, it's
Did
fun.
you like it?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
When the doc and
Uh-huh.
the other guy, they came back to
Marty?
where Marty and
Yeah,
Doc
yeah.
came back to the year that it's supposed to be in.
Yeah.
But Doc was alive. He
Alright.
read to know.
Would you recommend it for everyone to come see it?
Yeah, I would.
Yeah, absolutely come. Have a night out with your friends or your family. It's a great show. Bye.